Welcome back to the terminal, Module 01, Lesson 12, where we stop guessing and start troubleshooting like engineers. In this lesson, I'll walk you through a layered method that always works, a repeatable approach you can run on any network, any problem, anytime. Think of it as your personal troubleshoot script. Start low, work the layers, stay consistent. Let's get into it. So here's the strategy. Treat the OSI model as your checklist. You've got 3 ways to walk it. Bottom up starts at layer 1 and climbs. Perfect when you suspect cables, ports, or physical gremlins. Top down starts at the application and works down. Ideal when a user says the app is broken. Divide and conquer drops you in at layer 3, the fastest route if your gut already tells you where the issue lives. Pick one. Commit to it. Consistency beats guessing every time. Let's walk the bottom-up path together. At layer 1, you're asking the dumb but essential questions. Is the cable seated? Is the interface up? Are you even on the right port? Layer 2, check your VLAN assignment, confirm the mask is being learned, and rule out port security shutting you down. Layer 3 is IP sanity, correct address and mask, gateway configured, and can you ping something local? Layer 4 is about reachability of the service itself. Right port open, no firewall or ACL in the way. And layer 7, finally, but is the service actually running? Is DNS resolving? Honest truth, most real problems live in layers 1 through 3, so start low and you'll close tickets faster. Now that you know which layer to interrogate, here are the commands that actually do the interrogating. Ping tells you if the destination answers at layer 3, and traceroute shows you exactly where the path falls apart. Show IP interface brief is your one-shot status across layers 1 through 3. Show MAC address table proves the switch is learning at layer 2, and show IP route confirms the router has a way to get there. Honestly, ping and traceroute alone will crack most connectivity tickets before you ever touch the rest. Let's put it to work. A user can't reach the server, so we start low. Layer 1, show IP int brief. The interface is up. Layer 2, show VLAN brief. The port's in the right VLAN. Layer 3, ping the gateway. Success, so local routing's fine. Ping the server though, and it fails. One look at show IP route, and there it is. No route to the server subnet. Add the route, and the ticket closes. Bottom up, layer by layer. The method finds it every time. And that's the method. Work the layers, start low, stay consistent. Next lesson, we shift gears into power over Ethernet and the modern hardware you'll see in the field. Lesson 13, PoE and what's new. If this clicked for you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so the next one lands the moment it drops. Full course is waiting at dargslan.com. See you at the terminal.